Sure, man. You don't know what the thing go, man. Hustlers anthem. For the real hustlers, them. Big money popping anywhere we go. Big money popping anywhere we go. Big money popping anywhere we go. Big money popping. Ha! Bang of them there. Tag scam of them there. Me a tell you say the shell of them there. Plus couple front seller gal there.
And this is pussy and this me that. Kick him non-bumbuckler chest.
This is Sparta!
You never fear them.
Yeah, dog, if you're building a youth. Look on the girl. Look how me get girl. Watch out. Dog, pass me the spray, I'm call her. Hey, girl. It's like she know you, my dog.
She'll come.
I want to know. Hey, girl, you feel me? I beg you nothing?
We don't need nothing.
Only thing me I beg you your number, just that.
Legit.
But you're sexy still, you know?
Like pears.
Sexy. Jesus. You are going. Let me your number. I'm going to call you. Then give you back. Hold
Back.
Back.
Yes.
Wait,
I
front.
get it
Yeah,
back.
body boy.
Why?
Anyway. Boy, buy. On the ugly like. Speaking of buy, you need to buy some new slippers. Them dirty and holy like. Oh, girl, yeah. Hey, girl, go ahead. Move. You probably so good like breathe. Hey, girl, you still there?
Bye, Aisha.
Yo, dog, fling this one her. Me bumbuckler. Me bumbuckler. How are the bumbuckler? What are the bumbuckler? No, not a blood.
Hey, I don't love you no more. I am going to have sex with all the girls in the village. What I do to you, Abu? What I do? Hey, you are just very ugly. You look like a wildebeest. Oh my god, you look thirsty. Drink some water. Give it to me, you ugly motherfucker. What is this? You have poisoned me. You witch. You are the devil. Walk on, grandpa, you good way, Adi. Me Jesus. You don't creep me in a minute, man. Come to your cut, bird. Now the boy came and lick me in my back, nearly broke it. Jesus Christ, came and never kill him. Grandpa, oh, you still like me believe it. Touch yourself. But how we walk all like that? Me tell you, Nino, from come on the yard, them a try kill me off, you know. Wait, me neck broke. What? You broke me in a minute, no.
Oh. Kevin, mommy, where you want? Who ya talk? Yeah, man, no. Step in your room.
What?
Be a dirty jazz.
So?
Go pick it up and go rake up the yard.
Yo, dope then. How about time? She should have passed by no. Oh, see ya. You have to reach home early. No worry, baby. Me give you money, make you buy sometime. Every day you walk past me. You can't even say I sometime. You see the lobster where they apprentice. Me want carry you go buy.
Oh, Daddy. Hello.
Buy sometime. Yeah, me know say you have a boyfriend. Tell a little white lie sometime.
Come to bitch, everybody I do it. Open your mouth.
You don't understand.
You ready?
Okay.
Alright.
No, wait.
What?
No, you don't understand. It looks dangerous.
Bitch, everybody I do it.
Why
Come
can't
on.
you use chopstick? I want to use chopstick. It looks dangerous. You do it.
No,
you do it.
no, it look like eat that too.
Oh my god. Okay.
Open your mouth.
Ah.
He's a fucking idiot. Why you do it? Why you do it for?
This your fault.
What ear salon down the road?
When you can't believe me, man, listen what me say, nah, listen, just look here, my unfriend her, my block her, my delete her. She texts me and I reply, I like her upon every social media. She texts my mother, she texts my auntie, she texts my auntie dog, and I say, you know what, I'm not gonna look on a girl because I know say crazy, I'm gonna say, any catch me, I'm gonna leave her. Finish? Yes, so if you turn to paragraph 3, section A1, stanza 4, you see where you favorited her tweet on August 25th at 5:05 p.m. You left 3 heart emojis under her picture on September 1st at 5:05 p.m. and you sent her mother a Facebook friend request on September 25th at 3:05 p.m. Now if you turn over, you see 4 screenshots of a text message conversation you had with her on November 1st, 2016. But November not coming. Me know, but my man tell me say you plan to text the bitch, so I'm gonna ask you again. When you stop chat to the girl? Patricia, I want to you. I'm sick. What you sick with? Keisha, I'm sick of it. What's sick, yo? I'm sick of taking people, man. Oh, God. I'm sick of people, man. I call my phone. I'm sick of them that text me. I'm sick of them want to fly me out, want to buy my clothes. I'm sick of people, man. Oh, no. What did doctor say you have? Him say I have love people, man syndrome. not gonna cure you. You might give you medication. Patricia, you don't stop take people, man. You're mad, girl. We can't stop take people, man. Come, let's go.
Hey,
What?
where the fuck is my cocaine?
Well, man. I'm gonna sniff coke.
Somebody keeps touching my shit, man.
Brother, listen to me now. Nobody not touch your shit, man.
Oh yeah? If it's not you, then it's your girlfriend, bitch.
Bitch not sniff coke.
Yeah, she does, you son of a bitch.
Yo, bitch.
Yes, sweetie.
You sniff coke, coke?
No, we did.
Stop touching my shit, bitch.
Yo, watch your mouth.
So what you trying to do, huh?
Yo, watch it and come out and win a dog. You see me watch your TV.
You wanna fight?
Your
Huh?
pussy come no close.
That's what you want? Huh?
Alright. Come closer. You must stab in your bumbo clot.